Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy French twist hairstyle on medium length hair. To start, I've popped a loose curl through the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to make a little bungee by taking a clear elastic band and joining on 2 bobby pins either side. Next, I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip this away for later on. Then repeat on the opposite side of the head. So take your comb from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip it away for now. Next, add some dry texture spray all over your curls. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gather the hair up into a mid-height ponytail, and holding onto the base, I'm going to start pulling this up whilst also twisting it towards the head. Make sure you hang on to the ends of the ponytail with your other hand. Then we're going to lay that little twist flat on top of the head, and I'm going to use that little bungee we made, so I'm going to pop an elastic band at the top of the twist on the right hand side, then stretch the other bobby pin over to the left hand side and crisscross it with the first one underneath. Then just tuck in those tail ends underneath the twist and secure all the way along the edge of that twist with a few more bobby pins. Now we're going to grab hold of that loop at the top and just pinch and pull it a little bit to loosen it up, and I'm going to add some more volume powder to that loop. Again, I'll pop this in the description. And then I'm just going to take out a few pieces of hair from that loop on either side. So do it on the left hand side as well. Then use your fingers to really pinch and pull that loop apart, securing with bobby pins as you go. The messier you can get this, the better it looks. Okay, so we're going to release the front section, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. And with the rest of the hair, I'm just going to sweep this up towards the loop at the top of that twist, and then just bobby pin it underneath that loop, but let the ends hang free. And then we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.